If you want to enable voice to text on a Nothing Phone 3, then once you, for example, go to messages, you should be able to tap on the text message field, in this case in order to open the keyboard. And over here on the right side, you should be able to find this microphone. If you activate it for the first time, if you go over here, you need to grant the permission, so we can choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text. And there we go. Once you end your sentence, you can tap on this microphone in order to make it stop. And of course, if you don't see this microphone icon, there is a simple fix. All you have to do is go to Settings. Then in Settings, we're going to scroll all the way down and go to System, go to Keyboard, open On-Screen Keyboard, and choose Gboard, as this is our keyboard that we are using. And then over here we have voice typing. We need to make sure that it is enabled. And also, in addition to that, we can enable faster voice typing. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.